Alrighty guys, check it out. We just wrapped up this Charger SRT. Listen to this thing. Woo! That thing sounds nice. This is the second one that we do for this customer. Last time he brought me the same exact car. Oh no, wait a minute. I think he believed it was a red one. I think it was a red eye jailbreak, something like that. But anyways, they sold it, they regretted it, and now they brought me this new one that they just bought. Just gonna go over what we did on it. We tinted the windows first of all using our Winco's ceramic tint. This is our color stabled ceramic film, 10% all the way around. I like this shade because it's not too dark and it's not too light. So it looks really good. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. So it looks pretty nice, 10% all the way around. We also installed the dash cam. You can see the dash camera right on there on that dash. We did hardwire everything. You really can't hide the wiring, but we'll see if we can take it away a little bit more. Let me show you guys how this camera works here and how this 10% looks like. I love this film because it's got this blue shade to it and it's really nice. Let's go on inside. This is the dash camera that's going to turn on when you turn your key on. It's going to turn on and off. Let's take off this blue screen protector here and this one here. You have to enter an SD card. I'm going to go ahead and let the customer take care of that. So it's got front, outside view, and back view. So there it is. Just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you guys need tint, dash camera installations, you name it, we got you guys covered. Let me know what you guys think on this video here. I'm trying to see what kind of videos you guys like. Videos like this or installation videos or whatever kind of videos. Just let me know what you guys think. Comment down below if you like this car as well. And yeah, let's go. The film that we used, as you guys can see, you had different options. We went with the best of the best. We gave the customer a pretty good deal because he is a return customer, and this guy here recommends a lot of people to me, so I gave him a super good deal on this one here. This is my best one. If you guys would like this film here, contact me. Don't ask me a bunch of questions. Stop by the shop if you're serious, and we'll go from there. We got a lot more work to do. We got Mustang right here. We got to be doing a couple of things, but I got to go take care of other things outside of the shop. So we're going to call it a day. Until tomorrow, Friday, we'll come back in here and do what we do. Take care, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. This is the camera. Let me go put this back in the customer's car. I always give you guys all your stuff back. But this is the camera. If you guys are interested, I've installed a couple of these, and this is a really good quality one right here. I like this one. Until next one, hit me up for all your installation needs and window tint needs, guys. Let's go.